Well, here's some work I did on the cabinet for this radio. There were some cracks in the seams here, especially the one up here. You can't see it under there. And I just worked some glue down into the separation, and then I applied this my heavy weight. And this is heavy. And so that glued back together this area here. So between the epoxy I put on earlier to hold the trim on and this wood glue that I've put through here, the cabinet should be pretty solid now. And I think it's time to put the radio back in. Not polish, but some wood oil on the wood, and just to shine it up a bit. And now I'm going to clean this glass in the front here, and I'm going to use this this product. This is oh boy, this is a disaster in the making here. Yeah, it's just all clogged up in there. I'll just get some out here. So this is like lots of products. They're made for cars. You can surely use them on radios. Now, it's a strong ammonia in here and a little bit of abrasive. I'm pretty sure that's basically what it is. But I like to use it on glass. Now, I would never use it on the back of this glass, or it would just take these words right off, I'm sure. It would ruin it. But on the front, where there's no markings, it's a really great cleaner. And doing the back of the glass is definitely a problem. In many cases, I would recommend just leave it. Okay, so in order to do a light dusting, you need a real soft cloth here. I'm watching very carefully to see if anything happens that's bad. But so far, nothing bad. There's not much pressure. I'm looking for areas that are already weakened, like here and here. And being particularly observant when I rub those areas. Because if it's going to affect anything, it's going to affect those areas first, I think. That would give me a hint as to what I'm doing is bad. But it doesn't seem to be taking anything off. In terms of the lettering, but it's cleaning it up nice. Yeah, see, so there's absolutely no cleaner applied to that at all. Now, could it be cleaner yet? It probably could. Even cleaner, but I don't think we need to worry about that. That's just a lot better than it was. Let's see. So there you are now. Looking much better. Except right down on this bottom edge here. Okay, so here's another way to clean off some tricky stuff with this material. This is this Mr. Clean foam cleaner, and this stuff is more like sandpaper. It's more akin to sandpaper, ultra fine sandpaper. And you have to be very careful with this stuff. I'm using it dry here. But normally you put a little water on it. Because it has sandpaper-like properties, if you use it on the wrong thing, you can like remove a finish, and it's really potent stuff. I mean, it's quick. So I'm trying not to touch the wood part here. I'm using this tool on purpose to get control over it. Okay, so I got the radio in and I put the screws up underneath so it's solid now. I put these I'm going to put these back on. Here's the finished Philco radio, Philco 49A, and cabinet looks okay. I mean, it's taken it's had a life. There's no doubt about that. But there's certainly no major damage at all on this radio. So, and unfortunately, it doesn't have a good antenna right at the moment. So let me just help out with that, just by holding the antenna wire with my hand here.
Jardeep, let's get you in here. What's your story?
Hey, good morning. Thanks for taking my call. Engineer in 96 with a graduate medical doctor's dependent son. He passed 4 medical exams from USA and he has CS residence in Boston University. He's American.
So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this radio.